In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up FaceTime on your device. Setting up FaceTime is a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be ready to make video and audio calls effortlessly. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to FaceTime in your device's settings. To do this, go to the main settings menu, then scroll or search for apps. Within this section, you'll find a list of all the apps installed on your device. Look for FaceTime and tap on it. This step will bring you to the specific settings for the FaceTime app. Once you're in the FaceTime settings, you may notice a toggle switch at the top of the screen. If FaceTime is currently off, simply tap the switch to turn it on. This enables FaceTime and allows it to access the necessary permissions to operate on your device. If FaceTime was already on, you can skip this step, but it's always good to check to make sure everything is set up properly. Next, if you're prompted, it's time to sign in with your Apple ID. Your Apple ID is essentially the key to unlocking all of Apple's services, like the App Store, iCloud, and FaceTime. Enter your Apple ID and password when prompted. This action ensures that FaceTime can sync with your account, allowing you to keep all your contacts and call history unified across your Apple devices. Now that you're logged in with your Apple ID, you'll be asked to verify which email addresses and phone numbers you want to use with FaceTime. This step is crucial for ensuring that people can reach you through FaceTime using the appropriate contact information. The screen will display your email addresses and phone numbers associated with your Apple ID. Simply select the ones you'd like to connect with FaceTime, making sure they're ones that people commonly use to contact you. And there you have it. With FaceTime now set up, you're ready to start making calls. To test that everything is working correctly, open the FaceTime app and try initiating a call. This will give you peace of mind that everything is functioning as expected. Remember, with FaceTime you can enjoy high quality video and audio call experiences with friends and family who also have Apple devices. If you run into any issues during setup, double check that your internet connection is active and consider restarting the FaceTime app or even your device. Sometimes a simple reset can smooth out any minor glitches. Happy calling and enjoy staying connected with your loved ones through FaceTime.